Good morning to all dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.2 class 8 math assignment number 55. Question number 5 part A. Question: it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है कि क्या कोई ऐसा रेगुलर पॉलीगन पॉसिबल है जिसके सभी एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या हो 22 डिग्री हो एंड ऑल द एक्सटीरियर एंगल भी 22 डिग्री एंड पॉलीगन भी अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन. वी नो दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल बी 360 डिग्री ऑफ एनी पॉलीगन. देयरफॉर नंबर ऑफ साइड, if we calculate number of side then is equal to total sum of exterior angle divided by measure of one exterior angle, which is not an exact 360 degree is not exactly divisible by 22. Therefore it is not possible an exterior angle of 22 degree of a regular polygon because side exists and whole not in fraction. So we can say that it is not possible. It is not possible because 360 degree sum of 360 degree sum of exterior angle or external is not exactly divisible by 22. Question part number second, question number B. Can it be an interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? That means 22 if 22 is not possible as exterior angle then it is possible as a interior angle or not. If 22 ठीक है, if 22 be interior then exterior angle, if 22 be an interior angle then its exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 22, which is equal to 158. Since 360 degree is not exactly divisible by 158, आप डिवाइड करके चेक कर लेंगे. 158 से जब 360 को डिवाइड करेंगे एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. देयरफॉर आपका क्या हो जाएगा, therefore 22 is not possible as an interior angle of a polygon. So it is not possible because 360 is not divisible by, यहाँ देख लेते हैं, 158. 360 is not divisible by 158. Question number 6. Question number 6. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? A polygon having minimum side be triangle, a regular polygon having minimum side be equilateral triangle. All the angle of equilateral triangle be equal if one angle be x and then all interior angle be x. We have to find minimum possible interior angle of a regular polygon. So we can say that we have x plus x plus x. Sum of all interior angle is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180. This implies x is equal to transposing 3d. In this side 3 multiplied by 3 is multiple of 3 multiplied by 8 and transpose it divides 180. 3 6 is 18, 60 degree. Therefore interior angle be 60 degree. Then minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon be 60 degree. Hence minimum angle hence possible angle be 60 degree. Part second. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Exterior angle. Exterior condition of exterior angle. If interior angle be minimum, then exterior angle be maximum. Interior angle minimum, exterior angle be 60 degree. Then maximum interior angle be extend be a side. If it is a 60 degree equilateral triangle, then value of this total these two angles are linear pair. Therefore sum of these angles be 180. So external angle be from first from A. External maximum possible external angle. Maximum possible external angle. Angle is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree, which is a answer. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.